In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a credit card from Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and what to click so you can safely switch or remove your existing payment card from your billing settings. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin on a desktop browser, since the layout is clearer there than on mobile. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is the main home screen where you can see your store overview, orders, and other key information. From here, we're going to head straight into the settings area because that's where your billing details are managed. Look towards the bottom left corner of your dashboard and find the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new page with a menu of different sections that control how your store works behind the scenes. On the settings page, find and click on Billing. This is the section where Shopify keeps all your subscription and payment information, including the credit card you currently have on file. Give the page a moment to load, and you should see your current payment method listed. Next to your existing credit card details, look for a small pen or edit icon. This icon is what you'll use to make changes to your billing information. Click on the pen icon. This will open your billing profile where you can manage how you pay for your Shopify subscription and related charges. Inside your billing profile, you'll see an option that says Add or Replace Payment Method. Click on that. Shopify doesn't let you completely remove all payment methods if you still have an active subscription. So what you are effectively doing here is replacing your old card with a new one or updating your details so that future charges go to the correct card. A form will appear where you can enter your new payment information. Carefully fill out all the required fields, such as the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Take a moment to double check everything to avoid payment failures later. Once you've filled out the form and you're happy that all the details are correct, scroll down and click on Save. Shopify will update your billing profile and your previous credit card will be removed as the active